that little windshield chip could cost you hundreds, possibly thousands. How many of you out there have a stone chip on your windshield that you know and has been there for a while? Maybe it's the size of a pencil eraser. Maybe it's smaller, but you know it's there. You see it every day. And you say to yourself, I'll get around to fixing it one day. Here's the problem. That tiny chip can turn into a crack overnight. Now, add in one pothole or one speed bump, and suddenly that chip, or simply twisting the body of the vehicle as you turn into a driveway, becomes a crack running halfway across your windshield. Now you've gone from a relatively inexpensive stone chip repair to replacing that vehicle's entire windshield. And on many modern vehicles, that doesn't involve just replacing the glass anymore. Today's vehicles often have cameras mounted on the inside of that windshield. These cameras help you with great features like lane change assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition. That calibration is critical because those safety systems, so what started out as a tiny stone chip, rely on those cameras knowing exactly where the vehicle is looking. Could become a windshield replacement plus ADAS calibration. That's a repair that can cost several times more than the initial simple repair of the stone chip would have cost you. The lesson? Don't ignore the little things. Whether it's a warning light, a fluid leak, a stone chip, small problems almost always become bigger ones and more expensive if left on alone. A stone chip doesn't know whether your windshield costs $300 or $2,000. It just keeps growing. The sooner you deal with it, the more options you have.